Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So this is the reading for water signs. We will see what are the energies coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to. Because this is a timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Okay? So kung may maririnig kayong maingay sa background, pasensya na, aking maingay na anak yan. Maligalig. Okay, so let's see what is the energy for you in the next 7 days sa mga water signs. Recently, nagkaroon tayo ng full moon in Scorpio. So, paalala lang, hindi ako mag-message sa inyo or mag-follow, tapos mag-offer ng readings or kung anong mga products or services, okay? So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers kasi laganap sila. Kung ayaw nyong ma-scam, kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar link on the description or comment section. So let's see, for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, next 7 days. O, diba? It really aligns. Full moon. Oh, full moon in Scorpio. So I think merong change in the next 7 days, something that you need to release, or a chapter in your life that is ending. But this is a good ending kasi merong celebration, okay? So, maaaring may project ka na natapos, kontrata na natapos, but it doesn't mean na wala nang opportunity. So, it's like achieving something eh. Parang it's like a culmination kasi yan na may na-accomplish ka, may natapos ka, and you are celebrating that moment. Okay? You, you also have new moon. Oh, di ba? Nakakaloka. I think ang new moon ngayon, if I'm not mistaken, can be new moon in Sagittarius. Oh my God, hindi ko alam. Anyway, check nyo na lang. New moon, di ba? So, may natapos, may magsisimula. Okay, so this is about setting your intentions about a new beginning or a new project or a new situation that you want to step into. So, maaaring you are stepping into a new relationship, a new commitment sa work, or a project that you've been wanting to do. Okay, let's see what else for water signs. You have the Justice card, so this is about balance. Maaring, in the next 7 days, you will find time to, focus on what is important to you, no? Kung ano yung importante sa buhay mo. And at the same time, meron ka ring time doon sa ibang bagay na importante rin. Kasi hindi lang naman isa importante sa buhay natin, di ba? This can also mean, like, a justice being served sa'yo. Kung ano yung dinideserve mo. Okay? Hindi lang naman to court cases, no, para sa justice. It's like, example, you did this effort, meron kang effort, tapos, yung effort na yon may resulta. So I feel like there is a result coming in the next 7 days. Doon sa mga bagay, projects, whatever na sinimulan mo in the past, especially 6 months ago. Wow. Ang ganda. You have the Six of Wands. This is about accomplishments. So in the next 7 days, you will feel good about yourself kasi parang feeling mo, you are on a pedestal. Like, pwedeng literal na people are admiring you, people are, wanting to connect with you, and recognizing the work that you did. So para tong you are harvesting, harvest time for you. Hina-harvest mo na yung mga trinabaho mo ng mga nakaraang buwan. And, there's a, di ba, celebration. You are celebrating your success in the next 7 days. Ito yung kasi ang Six of Wands is like, pagbabalik galing sa labanan, na nanalo ka doon sa labanan na yun. You have the moon. Okay. So, the moon is about your instinct, your emotions. I feel like mas magiging malakas yung iyong pakiramdam about people, about yung mga decision making mo. So you will be using more of your instinct and intuition. There's also an energy here of pag-aalala. Mm-mm. Especially that, you feel like may natapos na chapter sa buhay mo and somehow nag-aalala ka kung ano yung pwedeng magsimula sa buhay mo. Okay, you have Oracle of Swords. So this is about um, like a new mindset or mas nagiging maingat ka rin sa mga sasabihin mo on how you connect with other people. And I also see here na hindi lahat magkakaroon ng access sa buhay mo. So pwedeng you may be cutting off connections sa ibang tao na, you realize na they are not good for you for some reasons, no? The energy is gaining momentum. So kung ano man tong sinisimulan mo, you are gaining momentum na parang alam mo na you can do a lot of things. Marami kang kayang ma-achieve. First quarter moon in Libra, keep your heart open. Okay. So I think this is about how you receive emotions from other people as well. And then also, maari ring yung judgment mo about situations. I think kasi it doesn't mean na just because nagkaroon ka ng mga situation sa buhay mo na pwedeng magkaroon ng betrayal, it doesn't mean na hindi ka na magtitiwala. Mas magiging maingat ka lang sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Okay? So that is your reading, water signs. Thank you so much. See you again.